Hey guys, how's it going? In this video, we're gonna be unboxing and reviewing the Skullcandy Dime True Wireless Earbuds, which are one of the best premium earbuds in the market today. Hi guys, I'm your host Shomit Seth, and without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, so let's start off with the unboxing. After opening the box, at the top we get the handset itself wrapped in a plastic covering. Removing the plastic covering, the handset looks very compact and can be carried easily without any problem. Keeping the handset aside, in the box we also get some extra buds which you can change according to your ear size to get the appropriate fit. Well, we also get a USB Type 2 cable which is very small, and I am kind of disappointed since these buds don't have Type-C support. Apart from the accessories, we also get a manual. Now let's open the charging case and have a look at the buds, and before you start using them, you will have to remove the plastic film from both the buds. Talking about the design, these buds are compact and are really comfortable to wear. These buds are pretty lightweight and can be used for long durations, and they don't cause any pain in the ears. Unfortunately, they don't have touch functions, and they come with a button on both the buds which can be used for play, pause and volume controls. The stem of these buds is pretty small, making them look like the dots. Overall, the buds look really great, and in terms of design, I would rate them 9 on 10. I would also like to mention that the charging case of these buds is also uniquely designed. It's exactly similar to a car key, making it very portable. Well, I have been using these buds for a week now, and I would like to say that the comfort level on these buds is really great. I use them while editing videos, and it usually takes 5 to 6 hours for me to edit a video, and I didn't experience any pain in my ears. Apart from that, these buds are really great in terms of noise cancellation. It really creates a deep isolated layer between my ears and surroundings, which makes the music experience smooth and amazing. Okay, one thing is worth mentioning, that while wearing these buds, if you try to press the button, it kind of pushes the buds inside the ear, which is a little painful, which is so far the only con visible. Now let's talk about the sound quality. Well, I tested these buds on different genres of music, from bass boost to classical, and overall the sound quality is impressive, and why not, since they belong to one of the best audio brands in the market. But I would like to say that the bass on these buds is really great, but the vocals are kind of flat. I would say that these buds are really great for gym freaks due to its impressive noise cancellation feature. Although they performed really great in the web series and movies, I would still recommend these to people looking for a TWS for workouts, which makes more sense since these buds are compact, have a pretty great in-ear hold and an impressive noise cancellation. Well, the microphone on these buds is really great, making these buds suitable for calling. Upcoming is a sample of the microphone. This is the test of the microphone of Skullcandy's Dime True Wireless Earbuds. Finally, I would say that these buds really justify the price, and they live up to the standard of Skullcandy and deliver the assured quality. Best thing is that these buds have a MRP of 7500, but they are retailing at a price of 2500 on Amazon and 2300 on Skullcandy's official website. So what are you waiting for? Go and grab up your deal. Well, the Best Buy links would be in the description for your convenience, but I would suggest you to go and buy these buds from the Skullcandy's official website, since Skullcandy is giving a 5% extra discount on all the prepaid orders. So what are you waiting for? Go to the website. And trust me, I have also bought these buds from the Skullcandy's official website. Okay guys, so that's it for this video. So this was my take on the Dime True Wireless Earbuds by Skullcandy. I hope you have liked this video. If you like this video, then do hit the like button, and also consider subscribing this channel if you're new here, which will keep us motivated to bring such content for your daily. With that being said, this is Shomit Seth signing off. Peace.